Hi folks, I'm going to show you really quickly how to correctly embed a video into a discussion or any other kind of post. So here's my post where I've asked you guys to do a video share. I hit the reply button, so I have my reply box opened up and ready to go. So I'm going to go over here to my video on YouTube. I'm going to hit the share button, embed, and then here's the code that I need to copy, so I can hit the copy button, click, and go back over here. I'm back to my Canvas discussion. Over here to insert, embed, and then I'm going to bury the code here by pasting it. Boom, paste, and then I'll hit submit. And look at that. The video is in the post, no links. And people can hit play and watch the video while they're scrolling through the post. So that's the way to do it, folks. Okay, hope that helps. Oh, and you won't get credit anymore if you just put a link in. You have to do this. You have to embed. All right. Sorry.